Just look at how cute and adorable this Kuromi digital camera is. I'm so excited to unbox the Kuromi Model A digital camera from Kidamento with you today. This camera is an easy-to-use, compact, and durable little camera, perfect for kids age 3 and older, or even for adults as an on-the-go fun camera. Thank you to Kidamento for sending us this camera. Let's have a look at the box, the side, the back, and the other side. So in the box, there is a very cute pack of stickers. Isn't that so adorable? This one is so cute. There is a Model A user manual. And finally, there's a Kuromi scavenger hunt memento book. And if you open that up, you can see there are pages for notes, stickers, or even journaling. And on every page, there is a cute Kuromi. Inside the box, you can see there is a lanyard here, part of the strap, a charging cable, and of course the camera. Let's take a tour of the camera and the available functions. So on this side, you can see there is a rear view camera, and here is the speaker, and there's a tiny dot here, which is the microphone. On this side, there are 2 holes for the camera strap. On the bottom, there's a place to charge the camera, and it also comes with a pre-installed memory card, which goes right in here. On the top of the camera, there is a power button and also a switch camera button, so you can toggle between the rear view camera and also the selfie camera, which is right here. To the right, you can see there's a huge shutter button, and on the back of the camera, you can see again there is that selfie camera, and there are 4 buttons here. The top one is for the settings, there is a left and right button, and on the bottom there is an album button. And there's an interesting feature where there's this silicone ring to protect the camera. You can actually remove it like this. Isn't that cute? This camera is so small and compact. In fact, you can hold it in the palm of your hand. The size is comparable to an AirPods Pro case, as shown here. So if we put that side to side, you can see they're approximately the same width, and it's approximately same size, as you can see here. So it makes it super compact so that you can carry it everywhere. So let's turn on the camera and take a few photos. Hi Kuromi. So let's take a picture of Kuromi and my Melody together. So that's the photo of Melody and Kuromi together. What do you think? Not only can you take regular photos, but you can even pick frames to put your photo in. Look at all these cute frames that we can frame our photo in. Which one do you like? Aren't they so cute? Let's try taking another photo with one of the frames. I like this one. Let's try this one. So here's a photo using one of the photo frames. And here was the original without the photo frame. Which one do you like better? This camera also has a fun burst mode. So if you go into the settings under burst, you can turn on the burst mode. And now you can take 3 different photos using the burst mode. Let's try it. So here we have 3 different photos using the burst mode. First with them together, then just Melody, and then Kuromi. That was so much fun. And did you know you could also use the burst mode for the selfie mode? Let's try that. So Kuromi, are you ready to take a couple of selfie modes? Say cheese! So here you can see Kuromi has taken a couple of selfies. Let's have a look. Isn't that so fun? Not only can you take photos, but you can also take videos by pushing down on the shutter button. And you'll see this video camera comes out, and now we can take videos by pushing on the shutter button again. And here is the replay. And once you're done, don't forget to turn off the camera. This camera also comes with this adorable Kuromi camera strap. So in order to attach the camera strap, you just loop this through the 2 holes here, and then you attach it through here, like so. And now you're ready to go. And the best thing about this strap is that it's adjustable, so you can wear this over your neck or over your shoulder. But one of my favorite ways to use this mini camera is to use it as a bag charm for my bag. Isn't it so cute? To me, this is one of the cutest Kuromi cameras out there, don't you think? And apparently this camera is pretty durable because I dropped it a few times and it seems to be fine. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you're interested in this camera, I highly recommend you to get it while it's still available. I'll leave links down in the description box below, and if you have any other questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And you can also follow me on Instagram, where I'm super active on my Instagram page with a lot of Sanrio content. Thank you so much for joining us again, and we hope to see you next time. Bye bye now!